It's going.
Okay, I can unclip and get over there. Oh, you're waiting for him to say go still.
He's gotta come over.
Alright, yeah, you're good.
It says recording?
Okay, buddy.
It's blinking.
Let's get you on here.
What does it say on top though?
It's got a red light that's blinking and the time is going up.
Okay, there we go.
Alright, buddy, you're good.
It's not recording.
Permission to disengage.
Really weird.
That's you. I'm gonna step over here. Hold on right there. It was just really cold and close out. Breathe, Cole, breathe!
Coldest water I've ever been in was, I think in Devil's Canyon, but got it on tape, and once I got in the water, I started screaming like a child.
It might happen again today, buddy.
Oh, jeez.
Might be a repeat. So he's either going to let you rappel right in the water, or you're going to stand on the ledge and he's going to take you off. Just listen to him when he gets down there. He's going to be screaming at you. Why'd you make me swim across the pool? Alright, buddy, take your time to the end. Hold on, go slow, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right foot all the way back there, left foot back in here.
Oh, I'm thinking to you like, yeah, I just need some slack, but then I'm the one that gives the slack.
Left foot in here. Just lean back, flat feet. Move those feet now. Easy. Hit the brake, hit the brake. Move those feet down a little bit now. Easy. Just small, flat feet. Yep, perfect. Just like that, baby. Perfect.
Ah!
There you go, buddy. Good job. Look over the waterfall, get some footage.
Thanks for that.
Well, get your last one. Look around, get some good footage.
That was pretty easy, in my mind. First part was a little tricky. Oh.
Nice job. Keep going. More step.
Oh, it's you. I was wondering, who was that?
Go ahead and fall right back in the water. Just let go of the rope.
You're gonna make me get wet?
Oh yeah. Just totally let go of the rope.
Payback for making you swim, huh?
Yeah.
This is cold. Oh. Oh, I hope you can see Porter with this thing. This pool is pretty deep. I can't touch yet. This pool is deeper than I thought. Oh, there's the ground. Oh, nope, rocks. Oh.
I'm coming out.
Oh, all up. I need to get the camera out of the dry box so I can take pictures of Porter. Watch out.
Hey, it's warm. I just
Here, let him go.
Here,
Want me to get...
How was
hold
it?
my hand.
No, you're good.
How was it?
It was fun. It wasn't as hard. I didn't think it was as hard as the one before. The beginning was pretty tricky, but
But the
You just got out.
I know, but Vinny, can you give some of them the camera? So we can
Max wants you to go swim with him. I'll get the camera, you go swim with Max.
I think,
where did you want to
I think you should,
can you press the recording button so it stops recording?
yeah.